In this guide, we are going over the best tips and settings to help you dominate matches here in Roblox Rivals, whether you're playing 1v1 duels or 5v5 games. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Obviously, first things first, when you launch the game for the first time, go ahead and hit the reward button down in the bottom right. Sometimes this will just pop up immediately. Go ahead and select that, and that'll allow you to redeem the latest March codes. These codes are going to give you free rewards that can help you progress even faster. If you don't see the rewards icon in your settings, go ahead and just walk up to this free rewards option, select it just like so, and you'll see all these rewards. And here, you may have to verify by joining the game group first. Now, if there's any working codes right now, I'll try and link them down in the comments as well, so make sure to check that out. But one of the most important mechanics in the entire game is slide canceling. To do this, you just slide and jump just like so. Sometimes you got to be running, slide, jump, and then you can actually repeat this just by doing it over and over, similar to like the COD Black Ops 3 days. This will obviously allow you to have that momentum and continuously keep going. It's a mechanic that you do need to learn because this is going to be especially useful in maps like Paradise and Ruins. For weapons though, obviously focus on landing headshots whenever possible. The revolver is extremely strong because it can eliminate enemies with precise shots, and the shotgun is great for close range fights. Your settings also do make a huge difference. A good starting sensitivity, and you can open this up just like so and then go over to your game settings. Scroll down a little bit just like so. It's obviously putting your sensitivity to around 0.4 for both horizontal and vertical, and you can also go ahead and increase your FOV as much as possible to around 110 so you could see more of the battlefield. For loadouts, choose weapons that match your playstyle. A balanced setup could look like a primary, ranger for long range fights. Secondary was obviously going to be a pistol as a backup weapon. Melee, knife for faster movement and slide attacks, and utility is just going to be like grenades to flush enemies out of corner. If you want to improve faster though, spend time in the aim training or the shooting range way over there. That'll help you as well. If you enjoy team play, try squadding up with friends for 5v5 matches, which can make coordination and winning rounds a lot easier. But as long as you follow these tips and keep practicing, you'll start winning more rounds and climbing the leaderboard here in Roblox Rivals. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.